If you're purchasing new appliances, you're probably reading online reviews, asking your friends for their advice and learning all the manufacturer specs. But you've probably seen a lot of buyer's remorse and comments from people wishing they had bought something different. Wouldn't it be great to learn all the nightmares to avoid up front so they don't happen to you? In this new series, that's exactly what we're going to do. We'll show you the common and uncommon pitfalls and mistakes in every category, from starting a project to delivering, without the several different types of damage that can happen to your home. Years ago, it was impossible to make a mistake while buying a barbecue. You either bought a basic charcoal grill or a basic gas grill or maybe a higher powered professional. Now you have tons of options, and you look at reviews and almost everybody hates almost everything, with good reason. In this video, you'll learn the difference between the grill types. Then you also learn the biggest mistakes while designing your outside grilling space. You have 5 distinct grill types: pellet, charcoal, gas, professional, which is a high-powered grill, and a hybrid grill. Let me describe each one. Pellet grills are really electric outside convection cookers. The pellets add flavor. A pellet grill is not a grill, but more of a smoker. It's a good grill for flavor and texture. Can't reach high temperatures like the other grill types, but you can smoke at lower temperatures better. So you can't grill a burger quickly on a pellet, but you can smoke meat for hours incredibly well. Charcoal will give you the flavor and texture. You can grill at higher heat with charcoal as well. However, charcoal is not as precise as the others and requires more maintenance of adding and cleaning than the other types. We also do not have as many models for charcoal gas grill. Gas is simple to use, easy to control, and can reach the higher temperatures easily. It's perfect to grill burgers quickly. However, you don't have the flavor texture in a gas grill as you do in the other types. Pro gas grills add more power and BTUs up to 25,000 BTU per burner, along with infrared elements to sear or rotisserie evenly. You can even buy quick sear infrared elements and even smoker tray accessories, but you still don't have the flavor profile of a pellet or charcoal grill. Hybrid is the best of all, with the speed of a control of a gas, plus a drawer for charcoal or wood to infuse flavor. The only downside to this type of grill is the price tag, starting at about $12,000. Now that you have an idea of what grill to buy or not buy, how do you incorporate that into an outside space you can entertain in? After all, you can buy anything for the outside these days, from side burners and griddles for added cooking, to refrigerators, beer taps, and wine storage for keeping the food cold, to dishwashers and trash chutes for cleanup. But what you don't want to do is replicate your kitchen if your outside area is next to your kitchen. Then before you buy anything, consider what you do use, map it out, and walk the area to see if it works. Lastly, it's not always clear who builds your outside kitchen. Is it the builder, the mason, the cabin shop, or appliance store? So make someone responsible. Instead of building it, you also have good out-of-the-box solutions like Urban Bonfire Heston. If that's the route you take, make sure any prefab out-of-the-box solution is designed to be weather resistant. That's it for mistakes. If you want details on how to build your outside space, then watch this webinar. And thanks for watching, or you can always watch these short mistakes videos as well.